This week, California passed a law that forbids businesses from punishing negative online reviewers. Is this fair to businesses? And could we see more states adopt this kind of law? Well, let's bring in Domenic Romano from Romano Law. Domenic, first of all, do you think, that this is going to be adopted by other states?
Very much so. California today, and I think we're going to see movement in the feds. A congressman has already come out. I mean, California has taken the lead on this. It gets 5 stars for protecting consumer free speech.
Is it, though, is it upholding free speech or just protecting the haters?
Yeah, I think the congressman said it right when he said, you know, it's distinctively un-American to prevent free speech. So you're talking about, on one hand, there's consumer free speech, and we've seen it evolve. Amazon was on the forefront where people are leaving feedback, and consumers can make an informed decision about their choices, products and services. And on the other end, we're seeing the freezing of speech, having it frozen before it even begins, by having these non-disparagement clauses that come in and penalize people for basically telling the truth. This is not about giving people a license to write whatever they want. You'll still have libel laws. You'll still have defamation per se. What it is you can't contractually agree in an unequal bargaining position as a consumer to basically waive away your rights, hidden in there in the fine print, that you can't honestly speak your mind about your experience. That's what this is about.
Well, just don't go to that business that does this, right? Look, wouldn't that just change the market?
Advice for businesses, focus on providing better services, improving your services, not on muzzling consumer speech. Look at what happened over the past few days, right? I mean, this is like a kind of a Soviet-era bullying tactic that these companies are using. Allow the consumer to honestly speak their mind. There are other remedies if the consumer is engaging in fraud. This is not about fraud. This is about people's honest experiences. Let the public talk.
I don't disagree with Dominic's position as well. I mean, you have to go back to France. France initially won a case recently where they sued a hotel, I think it was, sued a blogger, or a restaurant sued a blogger, and won $3,500 fine for a bad Google review. I get Dominic's point. You don't want to put the financial penalty in there.